Vlogmas Day 3, and I'm on my way to pick up MJ. Well, I'm actually here at the door waiting for him to come out. Me and my sister's gonna take him bowling at Sam's Town. They have a little light show, so we decided to take him here instead of cleaning my makeup room. I know I said I was gonna clean my makeup room. She said she'll help me clean my makeup room if I go bowling with her. So we're going bowling so she can help me, because you guys saw yesterday how dirty that makeup room is, and 4 hands is better than 2 hands. So to go bowling with her and my nephew will be perfect, and it'll be fun, and I get someone to help me clean up my makeup room. So I'm just waiting for them to come out. I think they're almost out. Here she comes. Oh, that's Martel, her husband.
That's a rental.
MJ! Are you ready? MJ! MJ, you ready to go bowling? Huh?
Yay.
Are you ready to go
Is it
bowling?
okay to wear this jacket?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. I
Hi,
gotta
MJ.
grab his booster seat.
Hey, Martel! Say hi to the Vlogmas!
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Hey! Bye, Martel!
Jump, jump, jump.
Yay! We just made it to Sam's Town. We parked in the back so we won't have to walk through the whole casino. It's so cold. Lightning McQueen, yay! Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Let me grab it for you. Go, bro. Good.
Any symptoms on the board?
No.
All right. Just pause on the mark, face mask down for a second for the camera, and then back up again. Pull it back up again, darling. Thank you, dear. Thank you. I can if you'd like, but it's not required. Mask down just for a quick second. Back up, darling. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. I get tested so much for COVID. I know I'm COVID free. Well, thank God. The security guard came up to NJ and gave him a pie. 2 pies in this bag. He thought it was French fries. He pulled out this box and goes, ah! Because he thought it was fries. He really wants fries. Okay, your fries are coming up next. He was so mad that those were not French fries. I got hand sanitizer wipes, and I keep them in my purse. I don't go nowhere without them. And I wipe off everything. Pick up McQueen. Pick up McQueen. Okay. Boom. And throw this away. And we're fresh, so clean. I'm constantly spraying MJ's hands with hand sanitizer spray. Here, let me show you guys. Hand sanitizer spray, I'm constantly spraying his hands. Or if I have the wipes, which I always have the wipes or the spray, and I'm constantly wiping his hands. I'm about to wipe his hands actually right now. MJ, let me see your hands. Show the camera how I wipe your hands. Let me see your hands. Why you don't want to be on camera? Come here, let me see your hand. Let me see the other hand. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
God bless you guys with some
Oh, thank you, ma'am. God bless you.
Oh,
That's so
thank
sweet
you.
of
God
you.
bless you,
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
That was so kind of you. God bless.
Did you make these? No? Oh, you sell them? Oh, wow.
Thank you. Okay.
Take it out, absolutely.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
She sells
Thank
and makes
you.
handmade jewelry. This is her card, if anyone wants to know. I'll do these. You can have those.
You ain't right. You can hold it.
You can do those.
You said that. MJ, you eating your food, son?
Thank you. So we're going to go see the lights. We hope that it's open. I think we look online, but We don't know if it's open, but we're about to go check. Let's go. Let's see. It's so cute. It is at all. So we just walked the whole garden and they have an elevator that you can take all the way to the top and look over. So we're about to walk to that elevator. Me and MJ's going up. Ro's gonna watch us from the bottom. Can we get on the elevator? We want to look over the balcony. Oh, okay. Come on. There's Joy, right? He said you can still do it, but you can't do it. You're not supposed to.
Oh, that's what he said.
Yeah.
He said, I'm
Okay.
scared. I'm already scared.
Okay, let me turn the camera around. Oh yeah, it's like showing that flash. Oh, you can see me and MJ. Andy was just trying to look at the lights. Look how bad he wants to go bowling. He's pulling my purse. Okay, come on, we can go bowling. And he's going the right way. How do you know where the bowling alley is? We're in the bowling alley. It's a 30-minute wait. Why is it such a wait? And there's all these lanes right here are open. Oh, maybe there's a list. This place is packed. They don't care about C19 here. Look how this place is busy.
He's so excited.
MJ is so excited he can't even hold still. He's so excited. Three o'clock. This is down. Bye, guys.